Welcome to Fluent Minute. Today's lesson is about English phrases that instantly make you sound smart. These are expressions that show confidence, clarity, and fluency. Let's explore them step by step. 1. It goes without saying. This phrase is used when something's obvious. Example: it goes without saying that practice improves your English. It makes your speech sound natural and professional. 2. For the sake of clarity. Use this when you want to explain something clearly. Example: for the sake of clarity, let's define what fluency means. It shows you are organized in your thinking. 3. To put it another way. This phrase helps you rephrase or simplify. Example: learning vocabulary is important. To put it another way, words are the building blocks of communication. It makes your explanation easy to follow. 4. The key takeaway is perfect for summarizing. Example: we discussed several methods, but the key takeaway is practice every day. This phrase shows you can highlight the most important point. 5. From my perspective. This phrase adds a personal but polite opinion. Example: from my perspective, listening to podcasts is the best way to improve. It sounds thoughtful and respectful. 6. It seems to me that a softer way to give your opinion. Example: it seems to me that many learners focus too much on grammar. It makes you sound diplomatic. 7. In contrast. Use this to compare ideas. Example: some people prefer reading. In contrast, others learn better by speaking. It shows analytical thinking. 8. The evidence suggests. This phrase makes you sound academic and credible. Example: the evidence suggests that daily practice leads to faster fluency. It's great for discussions or presentations. 9. With that in mind. Use this to connect ideas smoothly. Example: with that in mind, let's look at practical exercises you can do today. It makes your speech flow naturally. 10. To a certain extent. This phrase shows balance. Example: to a certain extent, grammar is important, but communication matters more. It makes you sound nuanced and intelligent. Practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Choose 3 of these phrases and use them in sentences about your daily life. For example: from my perspective, coffee is the best way to start the day. The key takeaway is, I need to study consistently. With that in mind, I will practice speaking for 10 minutes today. Thank you for watching Fluent Minute. Remember, using smart phrases is not about sounding complicated, it's about sounding clear, confident, and fluent. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.